Aiden fucking died, but I got my hood. I got my hood. Oh no! What did we break?
I'm at Connor's house. I spent the night last night after the Origins meet. Showed a little update of his car. I'm pretty sure when I got here, I actually don't really remember too much. I was really, really tired.
7, 8, 9, 10.
It's supposed to go away?
You're
counting really fast.
It's supposed to start blinking.
1 Mississippi.
Okay, I gotta restart, bro. You fucked me up. 6, 7, 2.
After
3,
7?
4, 5, 6.
Bro,
7,
it says wait
8,
exactly 7
9,
seconds. Oh, it did it.
10.
It did it. It started blinking. Fuck yeah. Oh. It came right back.
What?
Dude, let's just go to fucking O'Reilly's bar card reader. I could've just like brought mine from home. Alright guys, checking back in. I feel like I didn't really explain properly a few minutes ago.
We're almost at the boobs.
Okay.
The nuclear? Is that
You say new and then you say clear. My dad had to tell me that when I was like 6. Because I would say nuclear. I would say nuclear.
Is that not it?
A word. No, nuclear.
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 Nuclear boobies.
Nuclear boobies. Everyone cop a Wumbo hat. We're about to be at the boobies. We're getting a hood for Connor's car, like I said. Connor's car that was crashed. I made a video about that. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It was cool.
Nuclear titty check.
Nuclear titty check.
No, that doesn't count. That's not right though.
That is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that is. If you didn't, I guarantee you could start it without this if you had that.
Do you want to pull over?
You don't believe it?
No.
Seriously?
Like kinda. Do you want to pull over?
Okay, yeah, you'll buy lunch twice if you can start.
Buy it twice. Why do you need lunch twice, bro?
I'm hungry.
Get that thing out of my face, bro.
No, I'm down. No, same thing. Okay, yeah, pull over. Not on the side. There's no side of the road here. I'll make a swear you're pulling over. He puts it in the little slot. No, he's gotta guess.
You're right, dude.
Put it in the
You're
little slot.
so right.
Turn that key. See, it even says.
No, that means it's not
then
there.
Then you push it in. And she's running. And Aiden gets lunch.
Aiden gets his ass kicked.
Bro's vibing. What's up, dog? Look at this shit. Homie's building a full ass M50 swap. Just like Connor's gonna. So these are the guys that are giving Connor his hood. Super, super cool people. And I'm super stoked about this. You guys watch F1? You watch F1? F1's cool. Bro got the crazy spacers. Are they? Oh, is it an adapter? No, it's still 4 lugs.
Have you? Aiden fucking died, but I got my hood. I got my hood. Yo! Chill. Who want me?
Be for real, bro. Be for real.
No, for real. Like, be serious. Do not lie to me. Who wants me? Like, right now. Like, no jokes. Alright, bro.
I want you. I want you. I want you, man. Hey, man. On our way back, we found this banger.
Look classy as fuck.
Bro, this guy is winning on his whole life.
Dude.
Hey yo, new hood. Who won him? No one.
Oh shit. Just hit the concrete.
That's okay. And just like that. Wow.
We have a fucking hood.
That's what's up, man.
Dude.
That's what's up. That's what we go to San Diego for, baby. Hoods. That's sick, man. Big dubs.
Wait. Let them hear the little click.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Give it up.
Give it up, guys. Woo! All right, back at home. E28 back at home. All happy. Finished up at Connor's last night. You know the deal, as we do. And I drove back all safe because that's how it should go. But I'm really happy I got to help out Connor with the hood yesterday. Now I'm back at home with Mama, and Eddie is also here in the Passat because he is about to drive me back to Irwindale once again to return the Ireland engineering headers that I got, because They didn't work out. They were too long, they were too big. They were advertised to fit in the E28 and they didn't. They were said that I needed some modification and ended up being a lot more modification that they advertised, as well as a lot more modification than was kind of comfortable with me. I didn't want to cut the frame rail on my car, and these headers would have made me have to do so. So I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to find out a different solution. I'm just pretty bummed because there have not been another set of a long tube, like race style, CSL style headers for the M30, for the E28. Like, I've never really seen that before. So I was excited to use the Ireland ones, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna work out. I'm glad Eddie is able to help me by driving. Look at this guy. As of now, we're going to Ireland. And then there's a chance that we go check out this wrap place for a possible wrap sponsorship for the E30. Because I might wrap the E30 instead of painting it. Wrapping it just seems kind of fun. Got more color options. That's not true. But it's less money and it's something that I could do at home, and a whole paint job I know that I couldn't pull off. So maybe we'll do that, but we'll figure it out. All right, we successfully sold the headers, not sold, returned the headers. Either way, they took them back. They were really cool about it, and they were also cool with me explaining how they didn't fit in the E28, which was kind of lame because they were advertised to do so. I'm not going to show the one that I chose. Psych, guys, it's this one.
It's actually this one over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's that one. So I don't know how to wrap at all, so this is going to be a really fun experience. Samuel does.
I will.
I don't know.
He's got to swing the fuck out of this 3 Series.
Oh no! What did we break? I think we just broke. Oh shit!
Oh, I'm sorry for laughing.
Break something? I think the diff just fell out. Oh no! Yeah, that's your axle, bro.
Yeah, bro's been skipping around.
Wait, put it in gear again?
And let off? Yeah, I'm pretty sure
I'm
it's
in
the
first gear right now.
Yeah, he's in first. I'm pretty sure it's the diff, bro. I think he just blew the diff.
In first gear.
He's in first gear right now. Are you serious? You just opened the door? Bro, get back in. Get back in. Just in case something catches, that thing crashes.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, I need to help push. Hold this. Eddie's calling AAA. You're doing something good.
Smell it. Let's smell the gear oil, shall we?
Why? Got the boys loaded in the Passat. Yes, sir! On our way back, I guess the tow truck came. And yeah, we weren't expecting this today, but I still kind of feel at fault. But, you know, no harm, no whatever. I took a little break, but we got back. Samuel's car got towed. Me and Eddie got home. We're back with the E28. I checked out the colors, and I'm really excited for this wrap. We checked out the actual quality of it, and obviously I showed you a little bit of it, but I'm really excited to wrap the car. So I'm gonna be wrapping the E30, and I'm gonna be wrapping the 82, because why not, I guess? Wrap seems fun. So we got one painted car, and now we're gonna get into some wrapping. Oh my God, this paint finish is just like not making me happy. Oh wow, you can see it on camera. Bad finish. I'm about to go to Samuel's house and start wrapping his car. I don't know how much I'm actually gonna be able to show, or if I'm gonna have to make it black and white. But yeah, I'm gonna start wrapping, and I'm gonna show off Jimmy's shop. If anybody needs a car wrapped, go to Jimmy's shop, man. You'll be hyped to see it. Okay, plans have slightly changed. I'm still going to Samuel's tonight to get all that wrapping stuff done, but first I'm going to Connor's house because he's calling me right now. What up, Connor?
What up?
I am on my way. New Connor's house speed run attempt. Set. Go now.
I got a goodie for you, dude. A whole set. This is our master set, so don't lose it. Memphis even wrote master on it.
All right, we left Connor's house and we made it to the palace. Woo!
You're so cute and small.
Genuinely do want your car wrapped. Hit these guys up because they'll get you right and properly take off door handles. Unlike Samuel. Bruh. Look at this guy. Look at this guy, Jimmy. All right. Hey, Molly. I don't know how today's gonna go, but I got an update. I realized I haven't recorded anything since last night at Connor's house, or sorry, at Samuel's, when we finished up the wrap shop. So obviously got out of there, we cleaned up, we finished our thing, and they're gonna continue working on that car throughout this week, and I'll be stopping in there to see how it goes. But secondly, I got a cool package right here in replacement for those Ireland engineering headers that unfortunately didn't work, which I was a little bummed out about. Got some new headers from a company called Shmiedman. As you can see, that's this guy right here, and they should be cool. They were a lot cheaper than the Ireland engineering headers, and they are not long tubes. The tubes are pretty freaking long still, but Ireland ones in comparison did about this, and then they stayed 3 individual pipes for probably another, shit, I don't know, 6 inches to maybe more. This one side is still pretty long, and I can't tell if these are equal length, although they do look like it. Like that length all twisted is about the same as this one all stretched out. But either way, yeah, not long tubes, that's a little disappointing, but unfortunately, Ireland's didn't work with the E28, and that was really, really disappointing. So I'm gonna throw these on, I think, and kind of see how it goes. On another note, the E30 is gonna be getting a lot of work soon, getting that air suspension on, because it is almost done, and it just needs some little things. So we're getting there. I'm trying to figure out a management system if I'm gonna upgrade the management on it, but other than that, those are the 2 big projects right now. E28 headers, E30 air suspension, and then E30 wrap, which will be really, really cool. Can't wait to show you guys the color. I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. Definitely gonna reveal it on the YouTube sooner than I reveal it anywhere else, because YouTube homies get the real shit. Ain't that right, Molly? Yeah, that's right.
All right, we're getting going on the Deer Car real quick. I'm just gonna tear a bunch of stuff apart. God, it's hot. Oh my God. Maybe if you're not from California, you're like laughing at me right now, but it is like maybe 90 something. Oh, 95. Got the new headers out. And look at the comparison, bro. Like, this is what you get stock. It's like the craziest little collector. I feel like I talked about that in the past, but there's a comparison. Not as great as those long tubes were, and just definitely not as thick, but they'll be sweet, and I'm excited to get headers on this thing at all. And they look way smaller. I think it's gonna be a way easier install than the other ones. And yeah, they fucking fit right in. Like, way too easy. There's the stock one. There's the new one. And yeah, it should sound kind of gnarly. Should hopefully run better too. Hopefully I didn't mess up the valves like when I was driving it with just those. It was a short drive, but hopefully we're good. All right, took off that side and I test fitted the other side, so now I know they both fit. But I gotta know if they fit together. Can't do that right now though, because just like I said last night, I promised Connor that I was gonna go and get his gas tank filled. So I'm about to toss this tank in my mom's car, because this thing now is a check engine light. And I'm gonna get this thing filled for my boy, because gotta help him out. Woo woo! All right, Connor's dope little welding place is closed, because I'm an idiot and I waited until like 4:30 to fucking come over here. And now I'm about to crash. Reversing into traffic. What is up, my homies? Just hanging out. Hoping I don't hit that tank. Waiting for all these fuck-ups to go. And we made it. Ran that shit up to Sims Orange. And we got that tank filled. SpongeBob looking ass tank. Dub. Made it back. I also got some Chipotle. And now I'm gonna get grinding on the E28 because I need to get that done. Hopefully we're gonna see Connor later. I don't know how the night's gonna go, but it should be fun. Back in it. We're back in it.
We're getting serious?
Woo! Brando showed up.
What's up?
And we're getting serious.
All right.
The 2 bottom studs of cylinders, what is this, 4 and 5? Yeah. 2 bottom studs of 4 and 5 have to come out just to give it clearance for the black one to go in. Then they look mint. So that's kind of hype. You hyped?
I'm hyped.
I'm hyped. We fucking installed them, baby.
Yeah, bro.
And we're charged. All right, headers are done.
Can't even see headers
Can't
no
even
more.
see the headers no more because of that air box. There they are, so fresh and so clean.
So fresh and so clean, clean.
And Eddie's gonna record the startup.
That startup happening.
We're open with the
Aiden's happening.
Let's go.
Aiden's happy.
No, I mean, unless they explode or something.
Engine blows up.
Yeah.
Just flames start coming out. It sounds like a
feels healthier. But I don't
Wait till that vibration's in your fucking exhaust. Hear it from Brandon. Wait till the vibrations in. Yeah. How's the McLaren? Dude, you have to tell me about that.
Dude, that was like genuinely the craziest car I've ever fucking been in.
What was it? A 650? You said?
Dude, Joey was so mad at me for not vlogging. For work, I drive cool cars sometimes because I work at a cool dealership. And I drove a 650S McLaren that was meth injected, and it made, oh, there's an E30 here. Brandon, where are the hose?
The hoses?
Yeah, sorry. Shit. Dude, I've never been like the AutoZone guy. I usually go to the O'Smileys. Actually, no, I come here all the time. I come here all the time. I choose randomly between, but like, usually I'm like, oh, I'm gonna choose to go to O'Reilly's.
Give a little shout out to
Shout out to the AutoZone and Costa Mesa and all the
This coolant overflow just like doesn't flow. And so we hopefully pick the one that can get spit on.
lube it.
Oh, lubed up.
Yeah.
Going in dry.
Going in.
That's rough. Some say it works though. I can vouch. And I think it's like perfect because that ain't coming off. And that means now I just take, oh, I need to cut it for sure.
I gotta go ask the dude for some scissors.
Nah, bro. It just sits in here.
Yeah.
open headers and in and out.
Yeah, open header. Oh. Could you ask them to pull forward so I could pass them?
Bowl cut looking fresh, bro.
Bowl cut, dude, I know. That was crazy.
What?
Yeah. Kind of subtle. It's a lot quieter than the OEM.
Dude, it's so quiet.
Right? So much quieter than stock.
That's so loud, bro.
Holy fuck. Literally, I don't think I've heard something that loud.
Not cool.
All right, it's the next morning again. Back with Molly. Well, got my headers on, as you obviously saw and heard last night. And today I'm going to be going over to the muffler shop to see if I can get the whole pipe welded in, because unfortunately, I don't have a welder. I haven't been getting into that welding stuff yet. I took a class at OCC actually for a couple months doing welding, so I felt pretty good with it, but I never bought my own machine, so.
I haven't driven this guy in a while. That was fun as hell. Yeah, look at this. Essentially, I got no room between trans and body and anything. Like, see it right there? The trans doesn't have room. Might cut that off. Then there's this guy. It's pretty bad. But yeah, at least the headers are in. I'm still fucked though. Alright, we're back home. I don't want to go to frickin' work. Instead, oh, I get to say hi to the dogs really quick. But yeah, unfortunately OC Muffler and Bullet kind of both gave me like a no can do'sville. So we're gonna have to figure out another solution. Might post it up on the Instagram story, see if anybody can give me any suggestions. But I don't know how to fix headers, so I'm gonna need to have somebody else get that done.